Hi guys, and welcome to today's experiment. In this video, we're going to explore 3 fascinating areas of chemistry that are essential for understanding how substances behave. These areas are thermochemistry, electrochemistry, and acid-base equilibrium.
Throughout the video, we'll be conducting hands-on experiments, demonstrating the fundamental principles behind these processes. So, grab your laptop and safety goggles and let's get started on the chemistry adventure.
Hi everyone! Today we're going to conduct a thermochemistry experiment. So we have here is a glass, a balloon, a baking soda, and a vinegar. The reaction between baking soda and vinegar is an endothermic process, meaning it absorbs heat from its surroundings. When they mix, they form carbonic acid, which quickly breaks down into water and carbon dioxide gas. The breaking of bonds requires energy, which is taken from the surroundings, making the container feel cold. This heat absorption confirms energy transfer in the system. The CO2 gas or the carbon dioxide gas expands and inflates the balloon, demonstrating how chemical energy converts into physical movement through gas formation. This experiment highlights thermochemistry by showing how energy is absorbed and transformed during a reaction.
Hi guys, for today's video, I'm about to do this electronegativity experiment. And the materials needed are following called small cup of water, table salt, 2 teaspoons of table salt, 1 piece of aluminum foil, and then 1 steel spoon. So for the procedure of the electronegativity experiment, I had to fill the glass with water, and next is to put 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt and stir until dissolved.
The aluminum undergoes oxidation, losing electrons and dissolving into the salt water as aluminum ions Al3 creates an electron flow. The salt water facilitates the movement of ions, completing the electrochemical circuit and allowing the electrons to flow. Even though you don't have a visible light or device connected, this experiment still demonstrates the fundamental workings of an electrochemical cell. The process is creating a small electrical flow through the water driven by oxidation and reduction reactions happening at the electrodes.
Hello guys! For our second experiment, we will conduct about acid-base equilibrium experiment.
The materials needed for this experiment are baking soda, food coloring, glass, spoon, and vinegar.
In this experiment, vinegar, acetic acid, and baking soda, sodium bicarbonate react to form sodium acetate, water, and carbon dioxide gas. The equilibrium in this reaction involves the dissociation of acetic acid and bicarbonate ions, which will be shifted depending on the amounts of reactants. If you add too much baking soda, the excess will not react and the equilibrium will be affected. While this experiment doesn't directly allow for precise equilibrium measurements, it is a great way to demonstrate the acid-base neutralization reaction and the concepts of balancing reactants and products.